Hey, good morning everyone. So today we're going to go ahead and engrave a charcuterie board that my father-in-law got us. It's massive. It is marble and acacia wood. So we're going to go ahead and engrave that, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I have the TTS 55 laser engraver. So here we go. All right guys, so I'm going to go ahead and engrave this onto our charcuterie board. It has to do with our cooking channel on TikTok. So if you haven't followed, go ahead and do that now. All you need is your laser engraver, the product that you're going to engrave, and you need a laptop for this. And I'm going to show you how to connect all of it. All right guys, when you buy your TTS 55 laser engraver, it comes with a couple things. So first off, it comes with this. It's your power connector. Then this goes to your computer. So you plug this in right here where it says connect. You plug this piece in right here. You connect this USB port to your laptop. It also comes with a memory card, which goes right here. You plug that in, okay? Now I'm going to show you how to connect it to your computer and how to get the software going. We're going to go ahead and set your project underneath the laser engraver. So all of your engravers come with this, and this basically shows you where your laser needs to be set up. So I'm going to show you. You can see we got a pretty big wood piece. This needs to be placed right here, and I still got a little bit of room, so I'm going to go ahead and lower it. And to lower it, I'm going to move this counterclockwise until there. We got some rubbage. So now we're going to take this away, put it back in its spot. We're going to grab this and place it underneath. It's a little too close. So we'll go clockwise, lift up. Okay, but as you can see, this piece right here is just above the wooden, and that's exactly where you need to be, because if you go a little too deep, you're going to cut too far. If you go too high, you're going to have burns, and you definitely do not want that. So this piece is amazing. Okay, so I already have my laser GRBL downloaded to my laptop, so I'm going to show you how to do that from there. So here we got it, and we're going to go ahead and click it, start it up, which it is doing. It takes a while, and there we go. All right. From there, we are going to go ahead and go to, oh, we got a new version available. Let's go ahead and download that. Okay guys, once you get your laser GRBL software connected to your computer or uploaded, updated, everything, you're going to land on this page right here. So before we start anything, you definitely want to connect your laser engraver to your laptop. Otherwise, sometimes it won't work. So here we go. It shows it is connected. On here where it says disconnect, that's to disconnect it. So that's how you know it's connected. And if these buttons down here are lighted, it's connected. If not, they'll be gray and they won't connect. So you want to go ahead and go to File, open your file. Then you want to click the image that you are wanting to engrave. I got mine ready to go. It's for a cooking logo. Here we go. This is what it looks like. So on here, we got resize on smooth, which is perfect. Line to line tracing, you definitely want that when engraving. Direction horizontal just means it'll go this way. If you want vertical, your laser engraver will go up and down. I just seem to like the way it already is set up. Our quality is at 7.0, which is fine. This is the line preview. If you undo it, that's exactly how your engraved product will look. So on here, we want to go ahead and click next. Now this is very important. So the engraving speed right now is set at 1,000. I like to do it at 22. I don't exactly know why, but I like it better. So M3 and M4, the difference between. So M3 is constant power, M4 is dynamic power. I use M3 when I'm cutting a project, and I use M4 when I'm engraving. I want it to be on M4 because I am engraving. S-Min and S-Max. So S-Min is basically for the white part of your project, and the S-Max is for the black area of your project. I definitely want the black to be at 100%, which is what it's at. So this is your sizing. Your sizing is in millimeters, so if you don't understand the difference between inches and millimeters, you can go to a calculator that shows you. So right here it shows my width is at 152 and my height is at 118. I want my project to be at least 6 inches wide. 118 is at 4.64 inches. And that is for the height. The width is 152, so let's see what 152 is. 152. That's about 5.98 inches wide, so I feel like that is perfect. Let's go back to our laser GRBL, and this is the offset and why I never mess with these, because I don't know, it just feels easier to do this. So obviously my width is about 6 inches, my height is a little over 4, and I'm okay with that. So let's go ahead and go to create and see what happens. Perfect, so this is what it looks like once it's ready and onto your screen. So this is exactly how it will start to look when you engrave. So let's go to corner. Okay, so we're at the corner, and as you can see, this is where it's going to start, at the corner of cooking. And let's go to center. So center is about here, but over here, that doesn't look center to where I want it. So this is what we are going to do. Okay, so if I was just smart the first time, go ahead, get yourself a magic measuring tool. All right, so this is 13 inches wide from this part of the portion, so about 6.5. Yeah, so the center of my laser engraver is exactly at 6.5, which is perfect. Let's go ahead and go back to corner. So that looks right. All right, so let me show you. On here is showing that it wants to start here, right? And you got all this part. This blue part is where the laser is, and this is where it wants to begin. That's exactly about where I want it, and it'll probably end up around here. But let's go to click center. That is showing center, and that seems about right, honestly. So after you measure and get everything lined up, if you're still a little worried about where everything is going to go, you could click frame, and it will show you the exact perimeters of where your laser is going to engrave. So let me show you. So what you do on here, you see all these buttons, all right? This one, frame, is the one you want to click. And over here, it will show you exactly where it will engrave. And as you can see, there's like a little line about right here. This shows you exactly where it's engraving. It will be inside this box, which is perfect. Once it gets back over to the left-hand corner, it will be done. Then, after you got all that set up, you could go over here to this little play button, and it will say run program. You click that, and it'll tell you exactly how long you have until your project is done. So let's go ahead and click start and see what happens. I'm gonna click corner first, and then click start. Run program. 3, 2, 1. Down here, it will tell you exactly how long you have until your project is completed. So as you can see, it's working really well. If you guys literally have any questions about your laser engraver and things, and if you want to make some more projects like this, go ahead and give me a follow.